Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, everyone. Have a nice day. How are you all? I hope you all are fine, right? Welcome back to the next lecture of your favorite subject, that is English. Okay, welcome to the English class, children. As you all know, we have already started with the new chapter. What's that chapter, children? Yes, it's a very, very beautiful chapter, the necklace. Part 1 we have already completed in the previous lecture. And today we are going to move towards part 2. But before I move towards part 2, let's have a recap of part 1. So what we have seen in the part 1? The necklace, it's a story of a very young, charming, beautiful girl. What's her name? Yes, Mathilde. But she was very upset with her life. Why is it so? Because she was born as an error in the family of middle class. That's why she got married to a minor officer of Ministry of Education. Understood? She always used to suffer because she did not have good dresses, good jewelry, and her house was also very पुअरली फर्निश. ठीक है, उसके पास ऐशो आराम की चीज़ें नहीं थी और उसके दोस्तों की तरह अच्छे खूबसूरत कपड़े नहीं थे, तो वो हमेशा सफ़र करती थी, हमेशा उदास रहती थी. शी ऑलवेज हैव अ रिग्रेट ऑफ ऑल सच थिंग्स. One day what happened, the husband brought an invitation, but again she was quite upset after looking at the invitation. Why is it so? Because she was upset as she did not have anything to wear for the party. Okay, so husband got ready to give her the money which he has saved for himself for hunting, to buy the gun, but still he gave that money to Mathilde. Okay, and she got the dress was also ready, but again she was upset. Why again she was upset? Because she did not have a good jewelry to wear. Then what happened? She went to her good friend, and what happened? The friend got ready to give her whatever she wants, and she selected a beautiful necklace. Okay, एंड वेरी हैप्पी. उसको सब मिल गया, नेकलेस भी फ्रेंड से मिल गया, अच्छा ड्रेस भी मिल गया. शी इंजॉयड द पार्टी थॉरली. बट व्हेन दे केम बैक फ्रॉम द पार्टी, व्हाट हैपेंड? दे फेल्ट दैट मेथिल्ड लॉस्ट दैट वेरी वेरी एक्सपेंसिव डायमंड नेकलेस. ओके, एंड एवरीथिंग वॉज ओवर फॉर देम. ठीक है, इतना हमने पार्ट 1 में देखा था. नाउ लेट्स सी व्हाट हैपेंड आफ्टर दैट इन पार्ट 2. ओके, they looked in the folds of her dress, in the folds of her cloak, in her pockets, everywhere, but they could not find it. Dress के fold में, यहाँ वहाँ हर जगह वो ढूंढ रहे थे. See, same thing happened. If this thing happened to us, we also look each and every corner. पहले तो हम अपने कपड़ों में देखेंगे कि कहीं अटक गया है क्या. Are you sure you still had it on when you left the hall? He asked. क्या तुमको याद है जब हम हॉल से निकल रहे थे तो नेकलेस था तुम्हारे पास? Yes, I touched it in the hall at the ministry. But if you had lost it in the street, we would have heard it fall. It must be in the cab. वो बोलता अगर रास्ते पे कहीं गिरता तो कम से कम आवाज़ तो आती. शायद वो उस कार में गिर गया होगा, उस कैब में गिर गया होगा जिसमें हम आए हैं. Yes, that's probably it. Did you take his number? No. They stared at each other, stunned. वो एक दूसरे की तरफ देखने लगे and they were very very shocked. At last, Loisel put his clothes on again. I am going back, he said. Over the whole route, we walked and see if I can find it. What happened? The husband left the house in search of necklace and he went back to the same route. He left. She remained in her ball dress all night, her mind blank. Her husband returned at about 7 o'clock. He had found nothing. See, they reached the house early morning, 4 o'clock. When they saw that there was no necklace, then again the husband went back to the place and he came back at 7 with bare hands. Again he did not get anything. उसको मिला क्या necklace? नहीं. वो खाली हाथ सुबह के 7 बजे घर लौटा. He went to the police, to the newspaper, to offer a reward. Okay, न्यूज़पेपर में अगर किसी को मिला तो हम आपको इतने इतने पैसे देंगे. To the cab companies, जैसे कि हम RTO में जाते हैं, है ना, like that. He went to the cab companies everywhere. The tiniest glimmer of hope led him. tiniest glimmer of hope. Just underline this line in the textbook. Tiniest मतलब मामूली सी छोटी सी, glimmer of hope उम्मीद की छोटी सी किरण, led him. She waited all day in despair at this frightful disaster. देखो ये बहुत ही बड़ा डिज़ास्टर था उनके लिए, तो वो दिन भर उदासी में, डिस्पेयर में थी. sorrow, despair, it's a sorrow. She was in complete sorrow after this disaster. Loisel returned in the evening, a hollow, pale figure. He had found nothing. See, the whole day the husband was searching and arranging to sort out this problem, to come out of this problem. वो यहाँ जा रहा था, वहाँ जा रहा था, सारा दिन he struggled a lot throughout the day, and at the end, in the evening, he found nothing and came back home very sadly. You must write to your friend, he said. Tell her you have broken the clasp of her necklace and that you are having it mended. It will give us time to look some more. देखो, अगर अपनी चीज़ घूमती है तो it's very easy, not so easy but better than others. But when it's a thing of some others person, if we have taken from somebody else, then it's become very difficult. अगर हम किसी से लेते हैं और वो घूम जाता है तो बहुत ही शर्मिंदगी की बात होती है. तो what he said, you write a letter to your friend that we have some problem in the necklace. थोड़ा सा कुछ क्लच टूट गया है तो हम आपको बनाकर कुछ दिनों में दे देंगे, तो एटलीस्ट वी विल गेट सम टाइम टू अरेंज. अगर वो नहीं तो नया लेकर कुछ तो करना पड़ेगा, बट वी विल हैव टू रिटर्न इट. She wrote as he dictated. At the end of 1 week, they had lost all hope. 1 week passed and they lost almost all hope. And Loisel, who suddenly looked aged, declared, we must consider how to replace the jewel. Okay, he was who is looking aged, and Loisel, he started looking aged. वो मतलब टेंशन में बूढ़े दिखने लगे वो, ऐसा. इट्स जस्ट अ फ्रेज. दे डिसाइडेड कि अब तो कोई उम्मीद नहीं है, अभी हमको क्या करना पड़ेगा, नया खरीद कर ही देना पड़ेगा. And so they went from jeweler to jeweler looking for a necklace like the other one, consulting their memories, both sick with grief and anguish. Okay, they were in grief and anguish. Grief and anguish means extremely unhappy. Okay, in a shop at the Palais Royal, they found a string of diamond which seems to be exactly what they were looking for. Okay, वो उसी तरह का सेम नेकलेस ढूंढ रहे थे, एंड फाइनली उनको मिला एक जगह. इट वॉज वर्थ 40,000 francs. सी, francs इज अ करेंसी ऑफ फ्रांस. इट्स वेरी वेरी कॉस्टली, बहुत महंगा है. दे कुड हैव इट फॉर 36,000. ओके, बार्गेनिंग करके वो 36 में उनको मिल सकता था. So they begged the jeweler not to sell it for 3 days. Okay, and they made an arrangement that he would take it back for 34,000 francs if the other necklace was found before the end of February. See, they had a deal कि अगर हमको मिल जाता है तो आपको ये वापस लेना पड़ेगा. कितने में? 34,000 francs में. ठीक है, they have this arrangement, this kind of planning with adjustment, we can say, with the jeweler. Loisel had 18,000 francs which his father had left him. He would borrow the rest. ठीक है, हस्बैंड के पास इतने पैसे थे, and पिंक कलर का, and he did borrow. He gave notes, made ruinous agreement, dealt with every type of money lender. Okay, then he arranged how any the other amount. Then he went to get the new necklace and laid down on the jeweler's counter 36,000 francs. See, it's very difficult for an ordinary person to collect such a big amount, but still he did so and took the necklace home. यहाँ वहाँ से कर्जा लेकर, उधार लेकर उसने वो नेकलेस खरीदा. When Madame Loisel took the necklace back, Madame Forrester said coldly, "You should have returned it sooner. I might have needed it." ओके, बिकॉज अभी ये काफ़ी वक्त लग गया उसको रिटर्न करने में, तो वो उसकी फ्रेंड बोलने लगी थोड़ा जल्दी देते तो अच्छा होता था, मैं यूज़ कर लेती. ओके, फ्रॉम देन ऑन मैडम लॉइसल न्यू द हॉरिबल लाइफ ऑफ द वेरी पुअर. सी व्हाट हैपेंड, दे टुक दी, मतलब कर्जा वगैरह करके उन लोगों ने वो नेकलेस तो ले लिया, लेकिन उसके बाद जो उनकी लाइफ थी वो और भी ज़्यादा खराब हो गई बिकॉज दे हैव टू पे सो मच. बट शी प्लेड हर पार्ट heroically मीन्स मतलब courageously. द ड्रेथफुल डेप्थ मस्ट बी पेड. है ना, जब ऐसा कुछ होता है तो उसको पे तो करना ही पड़ता है. शी वुड पे इट. दे डिसमिस देयर मेड. सी हाउ दे हैव अरेंज द मनी. दे डिसमिस देयर मेड, काम वाली को निकाल दिया. दे चेंज देयर लॉजिंग्स. दे रेंटेड अ गैरेट अंडर द रूफ. एक छोटा सा हिस्सा रेंट पर दे दिया, सो दे कैन अर्न मनी फ्रॉम देयर. एंड दे सेव द मनी फ्रॉम द मेट ऑल्सो. शी केम टू नो द ड्रैजरी ऑफ हाउस वर्क. ओके, ड्रैजरी ऑफ हाउस वर्क मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा काम उसको समझ में आया. ठीक है. हार्ड बोरिंग वर्क. ओके, अभी मेट नहीं है तो सारे काम जो है वो उसे करने पड़े. द ओडियस लेबर्स ऑफ द किचन. ओके, और मतलब स्मेली. ओके, odious labors of the kitchen. She washed the dishes, the dirty lines. She carried the garbage down to the street every morning and carried up the water, stopping at each landing to catch her breath and dressed like a commoner. अब उसको पानी भरना है, काम करना है, किचन के अच्छे गंदे सारे काम उसको करने पड़े. She had to bargain at market, quarrel and face insult over every miserable sow. See, whenever she used to go to buy something, she used to do bargain over there. झिक करती थी, पैसे कम करवा के फिर सामान खरीदती थी, as she could not afford because of this disaster. Her husband worked extra. Husband क्या कर रहा था? Extra काम कर रहा था. Every evening doing accounts for a tradesman and often late into the night. हमेशा काफ़ी टाइम लेट आता था. He sat copying a manuscript at 5 saw a page. सौ फ्रेंच कॉइन ऑफ अ लो वैल्यू यूज्ड इन दी पास्ट. ये भी एक कॉइन है जिसको बोलते हैं. एंड दिस लाइफ लास्टेड 10 years. कितने साल लग गए? 10 साल. एट द एंड ऑफ 10 years they had paid off everything, and after 10 years what happened? Every loan and every finance was clear which they have taken for to return the necklace. Even the interest, उन लोग ने इंटरेस्ट और मेन अमाउंट सब कुछ पे कर दिया. कितने सालों में? 10 सालों में. ठीक है, बट 10 साल जो थे वो बहुत ही बुरे गुजरे. मैडम लॉइजर लुक्ड ओल्ड नाउ आफ्टर 10 years. आफ्टर हैविंग सच अ डिजास्टर लाइफ फॉर 10 years, शी यूज्ड टू लुक ओल्ड. As we have seen in the beginning, she was very pretty, charming girl, but now just because of the circumstances, she became very old. Often she brooded over the past, what would have happened if she had not lost that necklace. And every time she used to think कि अगर मैं वो necklace नहीं घुमाती तो आज ज़िंदगी कुछ और होती थी. How strange life is, how fickle. Okay, fickle means unpredictable. जो हम सोचते नहीं वो हो जाता. How little is needed for one to be ruined or saved. Ruined बर्बाद होने के लिए और सेव होने के लिए कुछ छोटी सी चीज़ की ज़रूरत होती है, या तो इंसान बर्बाद हो जाए या आबाद होता है. One Sunday as she was walking in the Cham, Elysus, suddenly she saw Madame Forrester. Who is that Madame Forrester? उसकी फ्रेंड दिखी उसको. Still young, still beautiful, still charming, and she is looking quite old just because of the circumstances. Madame Loisel felt emotional. Should she speak to her? अब वो सोचने लगी क्या मैं उससे बात करूं? Yes, of course. And now that she had paid, she would tell her all. Why not? She went up to her. Good morning, Jenny. The other astonished. What happened? She went and wished her. But what happened? She astonished. What is astonished? Astonish means surprise, to get happy. अगर कोई बहुत अचानक दिख जाता है तो हम खुश हो जाते हैं, थोड़े सरप्राइज हो जाते हैं. तो she was quite astonished to see her. Okay. The other, astonished to be addressed so familiarly by this common woman, did not recognize her. She stammered. What happened? As I told you, just because of the circumstances, Mathilde was looking quite old. That's why her friend couldn't recognize her. वो उसको पहचानी नहीं और क्या बोलने लगी? But madam, I don't know. You must have made a mistake. She was quite surprised कि मुझसे कौन ये लड़की औरत आकर बात कर रही है, और उसको बोलने लगी कि शायद मैंने आपको पहचाना नहीं. No, I am Mathilde Loisel. Her friend uttered a cry. What happened? The friend started crying to look at Mathilde. Oh, my poor Mathilde, how you have changed. What happened to you? ये कैसे हो गया? Yes, I have had some hard times बुरा वक्त, since I last saw you, and many miseries, and all because of you. सब तुम्हारे कारण, ऐसे बोलने लगी. Me? How can that be? ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है? You remembered that diamond necklace that you lent me to wear to ministry party? Yes, well, हाँ मुझे याद है. Well, I lost it. What do you mean? You brought it back? See, now she is knowing that कि उन लोग ने नया लाकर दिए थे उसको. I brought you back another exactly like it, and it has taken us 10 years to pay for it. It wasn't easy for us, we had very little, but at last it is over and I am very glad. Now she told her all the story. Madame Forrester was stunned. Stunned मतलब वो एक क्या बोलेंगे, बहुत ही ज़्यादा टेंशन में आ गई. एंड शी वॉज क्वाइट स्टन्ड, सदमे में. यू से दैट यू ब्रॉट अ डायमंड नेकलेस टू रिप्लेस माइन? क्या तुमने डायमंड नेकलेस लाया मेरा नेकलेस के लिए? येस, यू डिडंट नोटिस देन, दे वर वेरी सिमिलर. एंड शी स्माइल्ड विथ प्राउड एंड इनोसेंट प्लेजर. मैडम फॉरेस्टर डीपली मूव टुक बोथ हर हैंड्स. ओ माई पुअर मैथिल्ड, उसने उसको गले लगाया और बोलने लगी, ओ माई पुअर मैथिल्ड, माइन वॉज एन इमिटेशन, इट वॉज वर्थ 500 francs एट मोस्ट. वो क्या बोलती है कि तुमने मेरे लिए डायमंड नेकलेस लाया? अरे वो तो आर्टिफिशियल नेकलेस था जिसकी कीमत कितनी थी? 500 francs एट मोस्ट. ओके, so this is the end of the story. What you understood, children? She borrowed, she lost, and they had a very hard life. She returned it, but at the end she came to know that that necklace was not original diamond necklace. That was just a imitation. नकली था वो, और उन्होंने उसकी जगह असली दी, और उनकी ज़िंदगी के 10 साल जो थे वो बुरी तरह से गुजर गए. Understood? So it's a story of the necklace adopted from the necklace by Gady Maupassant. If you want, you can have a novel. It's a very big novel. You can read it, children, if you like it. Okay, so I'm going to give you notes. Please note down notes in the workbook. Thank you so much. I hope you all have understood and enjoyed the lesson. Take care of yourself. See, I'll just conclude with this beautiful quote. You cannot change your future, but you can change your habits. है ना, ये suitable है. You can change your habits, and surely your habits will change your future. So you should have a good habit. If you want something, try to own it, not try to lend or rob from someone. अगर कोई चीज़ चाहिए तो उसे हासिल करो अपने दम पे, किसी से मांग कर या छीन कर नहीं. And definitely your future will change. Okay, think over it. I'll leave you with this beautiful quote. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself. Bye.